reinstall Windows 10 on an Asus laptop? Well, before that, friends, if you want to reinstall Windows, you must use a flash disk boot table that has been created as a boot table. Okay, let's turn it on directly and press ESC for Asus laptops to enter the boot menu. Here the flash disk has been read. We select the flash disk and enter. The flash disk depends on each brand. Well, if for example the screen is wrinkled like this, it's okay. It's okay. Some laptops, when reinstalling, appear wrinkled like this. It's okay. Later this will disappear like that. Why does this appear? Because it's a bit unsupported, but it's okay. It will disappear and return to normal. Don't be surprised. Wow, this is broken. No, it's not broken. Just wait. In this process we will speed up the video, okay? Go straight to the installation menu display. Well, the initial installation menu display looks like this. As usual, friends, just click next here, okay? Then click install now. Next, select I accept. Just check the box at the bottom left. Then click next. Then select custom. Here, since the SSD is still new, it's easy, just click new and then click. Okay, and we choose GB. Now, select GB and then click next to start installing Windows. Now, the installation process is like this. But we speed up the video so that the duration is not too long. We speed up the video, well, like this. Later, it will restart automatically when the percentage is 100%, friends. Well, like this. When it's 100%, we just restart now, the laptop will restart. Later, it will display the ready display. This is very long, but I just speed up the video. I also immediately remove the flash disk. It's okay because the installation process is complete. Don't forget to charge the laptop, friends, because it will not run out of battery during the installation process. Usually, if the battery runs out, it will fail like that. Well, later there will be a display like this. For this region, you can directly select Next or choose Indonesia. It's up to you because this can be set later when you enter Windows. After this, we select US for keyboard typing. Then we select Skip. Next, if asked to connect the internet, we select I don't have internet, which is below here. Well, I don't have internet. Then next, we select Continue with limit setup. Now, for the name, please feel free to fill it as you wish, and for the password, just click Next. Here, friends, wait a moment and immediately select Accept. Then Cortana, we select Not Now. And we just need to wait until the EE loading process enters Windows. That means, bro, the installation is complete, right? We just need to wait until it enters Windows. After the laptop enters Windows, all you have to do is install the driver and install the applications you need. Like that, right? Okay, let's speed up the video again and the laptop will enter Windows like this. So, it's